Can't believe how it's like moving with a pulse. Alright, I'm going to upload this. So what this is doing that I'm showing is, or was, that one circle spot in the sky and the pulsating. It's kind of odd. Hello. Get out of there. And they took me off it and left this for the scene. But look what's here. So this is a still that they left me with, which is pretty cool. It's originally what I was looking for to start with. Can't believe that was a selection. Look at that. So this is in the last hours. Maybe last evening. Because the sun's going down there right now. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The original 5 I caught last week. Alright, I will close out with that. It turned out better than I thought it would. Talk to you soon.